Hey Brian, it's Chris. Sorry for getting this to you so late. Um, but let's just go over it on how to add the products. So first you just got to go to the login page, sotos.com, sotospond.com/wp-admin. Put in the username and then the password. And this will take us directly to the back end of the site. Um, so now I set up the site so it has your shop page already set up. No longer is linking to the Amazon one. So once this comes up, I'll show you where that is. So on the main menu, you see shop. There's no products in there yet. So once you have your products, all your products will start coming up there. Um, and this is where everything is kind of the base of the products. You can see product categories, and this can be electronics, watches, whatever you want to do. First, let's go into the dashboard. This is Jiggle Shop, which is the e-commerce platform we're using. And you want to take a look inside of all this and get everything configured to your account to make sure it's getting paid out to your PayPal or your bank account or however you want to do it. In the dashboard, it'll also tell you who's buying what, how much, your sales, and all that once you get your products in there. I'm going to click on settings, and here you can see all your basic settings. We don't want a demo store. When the emails come in, make sure, you can change this to whatever email you want. Obviously you want to do United States, we'll do Arizona. And then here's your invoicing information, your company name, your tax registration number, address line. Go through all this and just make sure everything's in that you want as far as like what's supposed to be there for your company. The pages are already set up, so you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Here's your catalog and pricing. Currency is going to be not pounds, it'll be dollars. US dollar. And then images, you don't have to worry about. Coupons, this is something cool you can use. It's those coupon codes you can add, so if you're doing a sale or a special, we can go ahead, add the coupon code, where it's going to, what ID, and then people can use that on checkout. I don't know if you want to have a SKU on your stuff or not, but if you do, you want to have that on yes. Your weight in pounds. Just going through all the inventory. How much you want to keep on stock. It'll give you a heads up to when you're getting low, depending on your settings. And this is what's more important than anything is your shipping. Also, take a look at this. If you want to do a flat rate, free shipping, have all this stuff available. Just simply click yes or no, and then it will or will not pop up when they're looking at the product. Go through the taxes, calculate the tax rate, all that stuff. The cart totals, including or excluding tax, that's up to you. And then if you want to add a tax rule, which is most likely what you're going to do, is going to be for United States, Arizona, percent, and apply to shipping or not. That's up to you. Take a look at that and go through it. Remember, this is all in the Jiggle Shop settings area. And then this is where you're going to take a look at how you're getting paid for all this stuff. Whether you want to do a bank transfer, you can set that all up here. A check payment, cash on delivery. Most likely you use PayPal, so you can do that. And then just hit no for all these other ones unless you have anything set up, but most likely just click no for the bank transfer, no for the other ones if you want to use PayPal. So that's all the configuration just for the store area of it, store part of it. So let's say all your products, this is what you'll see when you have all your products in there. They'll be here just like as if it was a page or a post. What we'll do is go into one of them, say add products. So you can do that from the top piece that you just saw that I did, or you can do it from here where it says product, add a product. The way this works is you just simply would do, like, let's say MacBook. Put the description here, and I'll leave this up as a draft just so you can have it to look at. Now this is where the product categories come into place. You can either do them individually over here, or if you're adding a product, and let's say this one would be under computers. Add that. And then, so now it's going to be under computers, and then we can break down all the product categories, and I'll show you as far as like how they appear on the site, what we can do to change that stuff. And then we simply just go here, simple product. It's not going to be downloadable or external or anything like that. It's on your site. Put the price that you want, $8.99. If you want to do a sale price or not, you can schedule that out too when you want to do the sale on that stuff. And also, if it's a feature product, it'll just show up a lot sooner on top. And then from there, what we then do is you go to set it as a featured image. And let's just take something we already have. But if you're going to upload it, just simply hit select file, upload it from your computer, and it'll go on. Let's just take, for example, we'll use this one. Use as featured image. So that's in there as a featured image now, right? We'll save this as a draft. And then we can preview it just to show you what it'll look like. And that's the whole setup there. Your description, any additional information. People can, put reviews if they want on there. Right here, they'll be able to submit them. Add to cart. Then you can go to view cart. And I'll put the checkout option under shop too. That way people know. And then everything's all here as far as the shipping, how it looks like, and then like I said, the way you set it up, everything on the back end on how the shipping is going to happen, the payment, all that stuff, taxes, etc. Yeah, so now it's in there as a draft for you to look at. And then from over here, always also with your tags, don't go overboard with them. Maybe put 3 or 4, but we can do like MacBook, computer, Apple product. Let's say those are our tags. These tags are just important because when somebody uses the search bar, it just helps them with it. And let's just save that as a draft. So now you'll see it on this end here, MacBook. You can look at it, take a look at it, same thing, add a product when you're ready to do it. Let's take a look at all your orders here. And this is going to be just what people, their billing address, shipping address, all that stuff comes up, which is really great. And then final thing is going over, let's say, the shop, like where it says menus. Let's say we wanted to do something like we wanted to add the checkout options and my account. Let's add all this stuff. See how it comes up right away. So we'll do it as a child category, a subcategory of it. So that way it won't pop up. View order, change my password, and people are going to be required to log in, stuff like that. We'll save that. So now that'll show up under that drop down. And then let's say product categories. Now we had the computers we added. So you'll see it here on the left side, product categories. So let's say under your shopping button, you wanted to go ahead and show the computers on it too. See how it just say add a menu. When we can put it, let's say here, we'd save it, and then under the drop down, it'll come up under here, and it'll say, my account and all that stuff. So I'm gonna remove that, and that's pretty much it with all that stuff. If you have any questions with any of it, always feel free to give me a call. I'll add some stuff to the sidebar for all the shopping pages for you. But that should be pretty much it, and I'll add the checkout, the shopping cart and all that stuff there too for you, for us to look at. Other than that, yeah, if you have any questions, just give me a call or send me an email like this stuff here I'll add today. All right, Brian. All right. talk to you soon. Oh, also last thing, I did get in contact with the DLG Gold Calculator. They said they should be able to fix it on Monday, so I'm gonna get in contact with them again and make sure that's taken care of and working. As soon as I get an update on that, I'll go ahead and let you know.